you'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. When weather calls for a delayed wiping cycle, push the lever down to the first position and rotate the center ring to choose one of 4 intermittent wiper speeds. Push the lever to the second position for low-speed wipers, or to the third position for high-speed wipers. For a single wiping cycle, push the lever up to the mist position and release. To activate the front washer spray, pull and hold the lever toward you. If you pull the lever while in the delay range, the wiper will operate for several wipe cycles after the lever is released, then will resume the previously selected wiper interval. If you pull the lever while in the off position, the wipers will operate for several wipe cycles, then turn off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.